Okay, welcome back everyone. So I hope you enjoy your break time. And this is the second video of the Wednesday class. And in this video, we are going to study the Writing Tutor 2A. In this lesson, what you are going to do? You are going to learn one of the main concepts of the writing skill, which is the outlining. So this is the very foundation and basic form of writing. Before you start writing a paragraph or the essay, whether it is a descriptive essay, whether this is a narrative essay, what you need to do is to prepare your outline. So the question is, what is outline in writing? When I was a student, when I hear the word outline, I have no idea what it is and how to prepare it. But after it is not corona, okay? I just have a little bit sore throat. Maybe someone is talking about me right now. Okay, let's come back to our lesson. When I was a student, I don't know what outline is. When my teacher assigned me to write about any topic, he said the first thing you need to do is to prepare the outline. And I was like, what is outline? But I can know the word outline after I study and ask my teacher how to do the outline, what is outline, and I know what it was. And this is the reason today why I am here. I am going to share with all of you the lesson that I learned. What is outline and how to prepare your outline. So to get some idea, outline is a method in which you use to organize your idea before you start writing it into a paragraph. For example, when you are asked to write the reason why you like learning English, you cannot just start writing immediately. You need to prepare the outline, is to organize the idea. For example, you have three reasons why you like studying English. So you should organize it in which way or what idea should come first. Which one is the first idea, which one is the second idea, and how you end your writing, what is the conclusion. Okay, so those are the organization skill that you need to learn. We call outline. As you can see on the whiteboard, there is nothing here because I have already prepared the lesson for you to learn on the computer screen, because there are a lot of things that you need to know. Now everyone, without any further ado, let's move on to the screen. So welcome everyone. Now you are looking at the slide presentation of the lesson that you are studying today. And do you know the book that you are studying? Alright, which is Writing Tutor 2A. Very good. The lesson today is about outlining. As I have already told you earlier, you are going to learn about three things today. The first one is what is outlining. And the second one, you are going to practice the outline techniques. And last but not least, you write your own outlines based on the lesson in your course book. Without any further ado, let's start the first lesson today, which is number one. What is outline? As I told you, an outline is the way that you can use in order to organize your idea or informations to prepare for your speech. It can be prepared for your writing, which is essay writing or paragraph writing. Or when you are reading, you need to organize the information based on the information or the book that you are reading. For example, let's say you read a novel. So what is in that novel? You need to write a short outline based on the study guide and the lesson that you are learning. So in outlining, there are many ways that you can do the outline. You can write using your handwriting in a quick note, or you can type it down on your computer screen using your keyboard. Last but not least, which is the most interesting thing, you can even draw a picture for your outline. Okay. So what are the characteristics of outline? So when you do the outline, what should you do? What should be included in that outline? So there are three main characteristics. The first one, outline is supposed to be short and clear. You don't need to write all the information, the full detailed information in your outline. You just stated the idea, the most important idea for you. And the second one, outline is easy to understand. Not for everyone, but for you yourself. When you look at your outline, you get the whole idea of what you want to write about, what you want to speak about. So the second characteristic is outline should be easy to understand. Last but not least, outline is not supposed to be perfect. Okay, if you have two ideas you put into your outline, you write it down, but you want to add something more on the way, that is fine, because outline is not the fixed product. It is just the first start. It helps you organize your idea. Okay, so these three characteristics of outline. Again, outline is supposed to be short and clear. It is easy to understand, and it is not supposed to be perfect. You can change it, you can add more information later. So don't think outline is the perfect thing. No, it is not. Okay, so you just draft something on, you just put the information on your outline and organize it the way you want. And if you want to change, you want to add more, you want to delete some information, it is okay. So here is one of the sample outline that I found on the internet, and I find it very helpful for you in order to apply for your writing course. Here, as I said, outline is a short paragraph. You need to write only one or two sentences. That is okay. That is enough for you to start your writing. So here in the outline we got the introduction. So you write one sentences about your introduction, and then for example, let's say why you study English. So this is the introduction. I study English because of how many reasons, and then the first reason, you need to state the reason because it is an international language, something like that. And then you need to give evidence or example to support your reason. And here it is very simple, because if you follow this outline, it will help you a lot to get a better idea when you need to write your final essay, because you know what you are writing about. You have all the information you need in a very well organized piece of paper. You can type, or you can write using your hand, or you can just draw. It's very easy and convenient for the outline. Now on your books, and if you open your writing to the books, you will see this types of exercise, which is on page 55. In this exercise, you need to write the outline. It is a little bit different from the sample outline that I show you, but this one is very simple for you to practice for the first thing that you do the outline, because there are only two main things. The first one is the topic sentence, and followed by the detailed information that you need in order to write your paragraph. So this picture is also the outline, a part of outline. It can help you to organize your idea. If you want to write a story to describe about extraordinary phenomena, such as this one, the first one, you need a topic sentence. So below are the statement. So which one is the topic sentence? Alright, the topic sentence is, people say that crop circles are man-made, but I know that is not true. So this is the topic sentence. and the detail as they describe about the event. So number one, when for a walk, they don't need to write a full sentence. For example, John, Jenny, Jamie went for a walk at night. Nothing. They just write a short, easy to understand statement. So went for walk and then hit in the wind, and followed by suddenly a strong wind began to blow. They saw a UFO rise into the air. So UFO means unidentified flying object. Last but not least, choose circle in the width that could not be man-made. As you can see, the outline here, it is very short and simple. Now everyone, if you are preparing your outline, there are three main steps in writing your outline. So what are they? The first one here is to write your title. And then you write your own topic. It's very easy, but if you are asked to write a big paragraph, a long paragraph, this kind of very helpful. Last but not least, for step number 3, you need to write the detail. Okay, so here that we have the title, we have the topic sentence, and we have the detail. So these are what you need in order to write your outline. When you have your outline, it is very easy for you to write a full paragraph or a full essay, because you have all the information that you need in your outline. Now everyone, on your books, on page, I think on page 6, sorry, on page 56 and 57, this is what you need to do. You have the picture, and then you need to write your title, which is the first step. And the title here is John Drew and the UFO, which is a simple title. You can write a boy and the UFO or whatsoever. Step number 2, write your own topic sentence. So the topic sentence, which is the main idea of your paragraph. And the last step, which is write the details. Here we have 5 details because we have 5 pictures. In each sentence you need to describe the picture, but don't write in a very detail. Remember, outline supposed to be short and clear. Very good. And after you finish writing the outline, you should rewrite your outline in this way, in a very short and easy to understand, right? So that's it for today's video lesson. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in your study group, because I am always here to help all of you. Now it's time to say goodbye and see you again in the next video. Goodbye everyone.